Everyone getting started in affiliate marketing has the exact same goal, and that is $100 per day, which becomes $3,000 per month. It's the baseline to really quit a job or, create that real security for yourselves. But the way most beginners tries to hit that number is mathematically impossible unless you have a massive audience out there. And I'm going to show you how to do this correctly. All right, so let's talk about hard way. Let's do the math about the hard way first here. Let's say you are promoting a standard $20 product from Warrior Plus or from ClickBank. Okay, now to make $100 per day, you need to sell 5 products of $20 every single day. Now let's say your opt-in page and your sales page is converting at the standard 1%, 2% conversion rate, then you need to generate about 250 to 500 highly targeted clicks every single day to hit your goal. Now, unless you are spending thousands of dollars on ads, this number is not possible to hit, right? You cannot sustain these 500 clicks a day. You will simply burn out. So now the logical step would be going and doing high ticket affiliate marketing, right? A lot of people think whether they should do low ticket marketing or high ticket, whether they should promote high ticket offers. So next logical step would become the high ticket offers, right? So instead of a $20 product, you can go ahead and promote, for example, let's just say $700 offer. So by that logic, if you manage to do that, you only need one sale for the entire week to get to that $100 per day mark, right? Which seems reasonable, which seems achievable. But here's the trap, really, right? Here is the trap. The trap is that if you send traffic directly from a YouTube video or from an article or even from ads, no one is going to purchase this $700 from that checkout page that you're sending people to, right? If a stranger asks you for $700, your immediate reaction would be no. The conversion rate on cold high ticket offers drop to like 0.1% or something, or even lower. And this is exactly why people get stuck on sending DMs on Facebooks, right? Sending DMs on Facebook, or get stuck on doing Zoom calls to sell a high ticket offer. They're trying to manually bring this conversion rate up. And if you're an introvert, or if you don't like doing calls, if you hate selling, or if you value your time, you really don't want to do that. So what's the solution really? And for that, let me talk about the smart way here. Okay, let's use this section smart way and how I am doing it, and I'm going to show you that right now. So let me present the math, right? So instead of pitching that $700 offer upfront or relying on those $20 offers, you will use something called a micro commitment. This is very, very important, and this directly ties to your success with selling whatever that you want and making that $100 per day, $3,000 per month mark. So how does this work? So microcommitment works. Let's just say you offer an incredibly valuable piece of training or software for something ridiculously cheap. Like, they will not believe that you are offering that piece of training for just $2.95, right? For example, $2.95. So if you take a look at this lens, what happens to your conversion rate if the price is less than the price of a cup of coffee? It literally skyrockets, right? The friction of selling this offer is almost zero. There is no friction. They don't have to think twice to buy an offer like this, right? Just a handful of people will say, sure, like that's just $3. I will check it out. So that's how you go ahead and get people committed first up to your world, right? Welcome them to your world. And then what happens is, so now that they are micro committed, right? Paid the $2.95, paid that $3 and micro committed. Now what happens is, here is where the magic happens, literally. So once they are inside, they enter an automated and multi-day training, right? Multi-day training. I hope, even if you cannot read that, I hope you understand, right? An automated multi-day training sequence, right? And this sequence is designed to shift beliefs and build immense trust, right? This is the job of this offer here, right? This, they are micro committed. Instead of sending them to $20 offer or $700 offer, you're simply sending the $3 offer. And that $3 offer, whenever someone gets in, they're already a buyer, they're already willing to take action. And now they're inside, they go through the training of this multi-day sequence, and what that training does is it shifts beliefs and it builds immense trust, and then naturally positions your $700 offer as the ultimate solution, right? That's the solution. That's the only logical solution to solve their problem. One high ticket sale away from an automated backend system equals $100 a day. And that is the math that allows you to scale up without showing your face or jumping on those Zoom calls or phone calls. Now, everything I have talked about in here, all the backend stuff in here, is useless if you send traffic to a broken system. What most people do is they simply, send people to an opt-in page, right, and collect their emails. This is their emails, and immediately try to sell that offer. This literally kills your conversion. It doesn't work that well anymore. Now, if you want to see how I am selling high ticket offers doing the exact opposite, then you might need to click that link in the description. It will be the first link, and it's a completely free training video that breaks down the psychology of why this low ticket micro commitment offer works so well in selling the high ticket offers, and that too without you ever getting to send a cold DM or go on phone calls, Zoom calls, and those type of stuff. So if you want to learn, just click that link in the description and watch the training.